I'm Catherine Leung, Reserve Officer at Mai Po Nature Reserve, mainly in charge of the research and monitoring section. I think when most people think of Hong Kong is a very busy city with a lot of tall buildings, a lot of people, a lot of traffic. But a lot of people, when they come to Mai Po, they find it really surprising that a place like this exists in Hong Kong. Many people will call Mai Po as a bird paradise. You can find over 400 species of birds. Mai Po is situated in the center of the East Asian Australasian Flyway, which extends in the north from Siberia, Alaska, and northern China. Further south, it covers Southeast Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. So every year, over 500 million birds will use this flyway to migrate. In Mai Po Nature Reserve, you can find various habitats, including the gateway, freshwater pond, mangroves, reedbed, mudflat. Each of them support various types of wildlife. WWF-Hong Kong started managing Mai Po in 1983, and now we do all the habitat management and education work here. WWF Hong Kong started the wetland management training program. So each year there are about 200 wetland managers being trained. So we try to help them develop their own wetland management plan. It's a hands-on program. And what we do is hope to pass our experience and knowledge onto other wetland nature reserves so that they can replicate the success of Mai Po at the site. And this will provide another option for the migratory water birds along the East Asian Australasian Flyway. I think for lots of people, the concept about nature reserve is you just need to let it grow themselves. But actually for Mai Po Nature Reserve it's a bit different. We need to keep actively managing the site so that prevent it from turning from a wetland into a woodland. Some of our field staff also in charge of managing the water level in the gateway so that suitable water depth is managed for different types of birds. Despite the hard work WWF Hong Kong is doing at Mai Po, there are also serious threats Mai Po is facing. The aging of wetland is one of the main threats. Because of the impact of climate change, the aging of the wetland is accelerating. Also pollution and housing development around the site. Because Mai Po water system is connected to Deep Bay, so the pollution outside will be harmful to the site as well. WWF Hong Kong will continue to conserve Mai Po Nature Reserve to hopefully help us maintain the beautiful environment for our next generation. But we also need your support, no matter it's time or your donation to WWF Hong Kong, because there's nowhere else like Mai Po in Hong Kong. You can find so many birds, such a natural environment, which our future generations should also be enjoying.